Okay, welcome to this Vlogmas special. This is a special video, 40 minutes, we're on a rapid wash. Yes, this is a Vlogmas Washmas special. I don't know if you can see on the video, there's all festive graphics on the screen. Yep, it took me a while to get these set up and running, so there's some lights, annotations. Yeah, I'll do a bit of talking in this video with it being Christmas. Just see how you all are. See if you've enjoyed my videos for the last 2 years. This is going to be my last video now for the year. Yeah, it'll be having a 2-week break, so I want these subs still keep coming, so subscribe to the channel if you can watch this video. Yeah, it only takes a second to subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. Yeah, 13 minutes of this Rapid 14 Vlogmas special. I'm probably the only YouTuber who's done a Vlogmas special for a Washmas special I should say, not Vlogmas. Well, it's Vlogmas/Washmas. But I know YouTube do Vlogmas specials, don't they, at Christmas? Where I, on the other hand, have done Washmas. Just got some gym stuff in today on 14 minutes. I do hope you like all the graphics on screen. I think they're pretty wicked. Merry Christmas from the laundry room. I'd like to see your comments down below though, see if you've enjoyed your videos and what I could do better for the channel in future. Yeah, give me a few ideas for next year or two. But obviously, I want to try and make some videos where you can like put stuff in it, do some challenge videos, like I could do Coke and Mentos in a washing machine or put bricks in, but I can't do that at the moment until I can start making money and I can get my own house off YouTube, start making an income off YouTube to try and create all these videos for you guys. So sub to the channel to help me along to create better contents, and hopefully with my YouTube money I could actually afford to get a house and do what I want with it. At the moment I'm on rented accommodation, so I'm restricted on what I can and can't do. Not put softener in this washer. I'm hoping, I think next year there will be a new washer coming. I can see it happening because this is on its way out. So yeah, new washer's coming, hopefully next year. I'd like you to help me subscribe to the channel. I'd love you to subscribe. Help my channel grow to 1,000 and I can be monetized, hopefully. And I can start making a bit of money and I can at least make better videos for you guys. So if you want better videos, make sure you hit subscribe. Definitely subscribe on this Washmas special. It'd be nice to have a present off you guys by subscribing. It only takes a second or two. Draining phrase now. Fairly balanced. This is going to be my last ever video for this year now, but I will be posting more contents in 2 weeks time. 2 or 3 weeks. I'm having a bit of time off. I need to find that balance in life, you see, of being in my YouTube world and being present in life, because I'm constantly posting videos and I think I need to cut down. I don't know, let me know how much I should post, because I like to get carried away, if you know what I mean. I think I need to cut down. Probably need to do at least 1 video, 2 videos a day on my channel. But usually I put like 15 to 20 videos up when I really need to find that balance in life. But I think once I get started and I enjoy it, I'd like to hammer my channel. This is like a proper vlog today. I know I'm doing a full cycle, but with it being Christmas and got graphics on the screen, I thought I'd go a bit further today for you guys and do a vlog and start chatting away. Draining again. Yeah, in the future I just want to make these videos a lot better. So if I could get monetized and you can help me do that by subscribing to the channel and watching my videos, I can actually bring better content to the channel, hopefully. And then I might be able to have more room to be a washing machine collector. Because in this little utility room, in this laundry room, there's not that much space. And also, I could at least put a washing machine in like a garage or something, or shed with some, if I put some electrics in there. Now obviously at the moment I'm not living those luxury lifestyles, so I wonder if you lot can help me make those happen for me, having luxury lifestyles to create some videos, because I'd love to do it. I can only do basic experiments, so with it being in your laundry room. But when I do order a new washer, I might put like, when I do order a new washer and I know this is on its way, I might start playing about with this by putting milk cartons in, doing Coke and Mentos. I don't know. Put random objects in, since I know it'll be going. Just pimp up my videos a little bit. Oh, excuse me. My first ever proper vlog where I'm just talking. VLOGMAS special, Washmas special. That's what I'm gonna name the title. I think I'm gonna name the title VLOGMAS special, Rapid 14 Washmas. No, in fact I'll do VLOGMAS and then dash And then Rapid 14 VLOGMAS special. I think that sounds a bit better. It's going to drain now, I think. Straight into the final spin. This is my final video of the year. And then I'm off for 2 or 3 weeks. I need to find that balance in life where I'm posting like 15-20 videos a day, because YouTube is addictive and I think I need to cut down badly. So I think it's best to cut down and then let's get all these viewers have a chance to watch my bloody videos. Do you know what I mean? Because they can't keep up when I'm posting all the time. I'd rather have people watching my videos. But most of my videos are shorts anyway. Short videos. YouTube shorts. And they seem to get more views when they're in shorts. Bit out of balance. Final spin, 4 minutes left. Comment down below to see how much you've enjoyed the videos, see if you've liked them, see if you haven't. I don't know. See what I can make better videos in the future. Let me know in comments down below. Because I'd rather engage with my viewers now and see what they want instead of me posting what I want. I need to try and find that combination, if you know what I mean. This is the Candy Grande Vita, 7 kilograms. 4 minutes left. Get a bit noisy now, I might have to shout a bit louder to the camera. Come on. You can tell the bearings on the way out. I should have used a lower spin. Never mind. I'd like to say a big thank you for watching all my videos in the past year or two. I've really much appreciated it. I'd like to see all the subs coming over Christmas, so subscribe to this channel on this video. And let's aim high for 2022 with this channel, and hope that I'll get monetized. So I need your support to do that by subscribing, watching my videos to reach 4,000 hours watch time. And yeah, and I want to be a full-time YouTuber now because this is what I enjoy doing. Because usually a lot of people quit YouTube, don't they? But I'm never going to quit YouTube. Not when it involves washing machines. Because I filmed washes many years ago. I filmed loads of videos of washing machines, but I never had a YouTube channel. But all those videos I did years ago, right at the beginning I started this channel, I bombarded YouTube and posted them all. And when I look back now, I wish I could have had a YouTube channel at least 7 or 8 years ago. I do, but I can't turn back time. So yeah, because I got, on the very first day I posted on YouTube, I posted about 33 videos, and then after 33 videos, YouTube banned me for a day because 33 is the maximum you can post in a day, I think, on YouTube, 33 videos. So obviously, I had about 150 videos to post from many years ago, so I had to post all those in one. So yeah, I'd like to say a big thank you. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. Let's make this channel big in 2022, and let's make better content, and I'll need your support to help me by subscribing and watching my videos. And then hopefully when I can make a bit more money, I can at least start buying washing machines then for you guys, rather than spending my own bloody money. Yeah, so yeah, if you want to see some more washing machines, subscribe, and I can afford one for you. Because the washing machines are my life. So yeah, this is the last video now of the VLOGMAS special. It's ended now, so I'll stop the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in 2 or 3 weeks, because I'm having a bit of a 2-week off with it being Christmas. So a lot more content is coming next year, so stay tuned, subscribe to avoid missing out, and thank you again. So I'll see you in the next video in 2 or 3 weeks time.